English as an international language. English is an international language and is used for international communication. The world has always felt the need for having an international language for international communication. And in order to form an international language experts made 53 artificial languages between 1880 and 1907. Some of these artificial languages were accepted by people, but ultimately all these artificial languages gradually faded away. Apparently, the need for having an international language was not fulfilled by laboratory inventions. These artificial languages fulfilled needs in terms of business and travel, but many aspects such as politics, science, and literature were not a part of it. Most nations don't support languages other than their own because language is a sensitive issue for most nations as it symbolizes identity and nationalism. For example, there are many countries in the United Nations, yet it does not give the status of official language to any one language but has many official languages. No one would be willing to let their language be subordinated by others. 2 centuries back, French enjoyed supremacy, but there was a decline in its popularity during the 19th century. Later on, German became a competitor due to its scope in all fields of scientific and scholarly activity. Whereas now most of the scientific research is published in the English language, then any other along with its utility in business and commerce. It is seen that a revolution in communication has led to the spread of the English language due to the dominance of the media industry. Both economic and cultural factors greatly influence to determine the world language of the future.